Turn on the power switch. Enter the hose diameter size at here. For example, 25 millimeters. It will show dice number. For example, it shows 24. We must install 24 hash type dies. Choose the correct crimping type. This is hydraulic pump startup button. First button is close dies. We have to keep holding it. The machine will working to full close or loosen the button. The second button is open dies. Up one is crimping timer, down one is opening timer. Click the corresponding number to enter new number. For example, 3S is holding crimp size 3 seconds. This is pedal type. Close dies by pedal switch. Single loop mode. Multiple loops. This working type. We only push close button once. The dies will automatically close and open dies. It keeps time set on the timer. This is open die size. If we set its size smaller, the die's open size will smaller. It will save time for working.